Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Tope Sprinkle. My name is Tope if you're seeing me for the first time. In this video, we're gonna be doing my hair together and chatting. I mentioned in my last video when I got these cornrows that I have on that I was getting some wigs, and one of them is a straight one. Yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing the weave, and it's one of those ones that have frontals, which this is not a how-to video, by the way. I'm essentially a beginner, so I'm watching a video on YouTube here on how to, all you need to know, cutting the lace off your wig. Yeah, and she used the scissors, so I've got one here. My friend gave me like this blade that you use, which I had and I've been saving, but for some reason today I can't find it. So we're gonna be chatting as I try to get the weave installed. So this is the hair, came in this pack. You are the beautiful girl, beauty. So it says, I'm the beautiful girl. Okay, there's some gifts in there, typical eyelashes, wig cap, a band, and then like a brush for edges, and then the hair itself. So this is 20 inches long, and I'm just going to open that up. Looks like so. I'm just going to try and pack my hair up. I'm going to use the brush. So yeah, let's get talking. So in the last video, I was saying how I'm now very pro natural hair. I mean, I love my natural hair and I know that. I'm not sure this color is giving. I probably want something darker. Even if I have wigs, it's not as if I don't have wigs. I have a headband wig that I wear often, and it gives like natural hair curls, so kinky curls. And yeah, it's just something that I've been doing for a few years unconsciously. My husband likes my natural hair. I know some people, they care about how their men, like the kind of hair that their men like. But yeah, my husband loves my natural hair. In fact, he loves when I have like a fro. And sometimes he tells me, oh, why can't you keep your hair in a fro? Well, I just kind of want something different, which is why I decided to get this weave. For some people, they decide to stop wearing weaves. She said in the video to start from here, start from the side. Some of them make them long, but apparently these guys haven't. It even feels, I think it's short, because she was like, do that and then cut. But yeah, I think mine is, they've made that short as opposed to long. I do need to go, but nah. Just to cut around your ears. Anyways, what I wanted to talk about is, like, you know, how black women wear wigs, and for a lot of people, yeah, I'm not doing sure. For a lot of people, you know, that's the thing they feel most comfortable in. They can't wear their natural hair. They don't feel comfortable in their natural hair. If they're not in a wig, you know, they don't feel beautiful. That's not the case for me. And for me, it wasn't even like I was trying to For me, it's not as if I was trying to get out of that rut, but somehow, you know, just one of those ended up with my natural hair, you know, rocking my natural hair for a while. And yeah, so far it's been good. I even saw like videos, there's some videos online. So she said at this side you want to go raggedy. I think I'm going to come back to cut that side, but like in a zigzag motion. It looks natural, like I'm doing rubbish. So yeah, there have been videos online of like moms wearing straight weaves for their kids, and I'm not even talking about kids, I'm talking about babies, like children less than 2, children less than 1, maybe like for their 1-year-old birthday picture. You know, you see moms wearing frontals, getting them straight hair, and you know, it's just very disturbing because at that level they're just kids. You know, when are they going to I am doing rubbish. You know what she did, the hair wasn't showing like this. You know, if they're wearing weaves already at 1-year-old, 2-year-old, you know, how are they going to love their natural hair, their God-given hair? If you feel that for a 1-year-old child, the hair that they have on their head is not good enough for 1-year-old shoot, you know, it's just disturbing. And some people, you know, just decide for their kids to keep them natural for so long. And I know that sometimes for some of those kids, they now really look forward to like wearing wigs. So once they grow up, you know, that's all they want to do essentially. It's an interesting like dynamics. I think I'm distracted. I'm not really having this conversation well because this is serious business that it appears I'm messing up. I think I have messed up. I'm normally good at stuff. I don't think I'm good at this one. So now I'm just going in like the second round, finishing. I'm trying to go closer. Hey, party baby. Done. I think also maybe because the color of the lace is like very light, maybe I need to use foundation. The girl in the video didn't do that, but I think I've seen other people do that in their videos, like use foundation. Natural hair community, are you one of those that you would only wear a wig if it kind of looks like your natural hair, or are you like team anything goes, you wear a wig anyways, or are you team I don't even wear a wig at all, every time natural hair and or braids, you know, only if it's braids? I think I need to remove this thing to cut it with, to at least be close and get it straight. They didn't teach this in the YouTube video, this is my own invention. This is my invention. Oh yeah, she also said to cut the wig, the lace at the back. And for that one, she said to just cut it straight. So I'm gonna do that now. Just cut it straight, cut it. I think That shape works. Why did these guys make this place small? You know? So I think the weave she had was already like parted in the center, and I know this one can go anyhow, but I think you need a flat iron to keep it in place, like once you create the part, which I don't have. So I think for now I'm just gonna have my hair sort of like so. Let me get my foundation. Fenty Beauty. I really hope I do this right. And I've washed my face for the night. Maybe I should just move the hair back. Actually, I think I'll do this off my head, because I don't want to put foundation on my hair, and I also don't want to put foundation on my face. But I don't mind putting foundation on my hands. So I'm just changing the lace color to be darker with my foundation. This is not a how-to video. This is not a how-to video. Don't be like me, oh. Don't be like me. Learn how to do this properly. I am not teaching. I am only showing what I'm doing, and I'm supposed to be gisting with you guys. But somehow this is so serious that I have to focus. We have to focus. It's serious business. Hey. Like really, why do we have to go through all this stress? Eh? When we have hair, why do we have to be plucking and foundationing and, you know, doing all this? Well, we gotta look good, and once in a while you switch up. That is what I'm doing. I'm switching up for myself because I feel like wearing a weave, straight hair. So I bought 2 wigs. The other one is curly, not coily. It's more like 3B hair, but it has a fringe. I was really trying out things. I've never had a wig that had a fringe. So yeah, I've worn that once. I wore that out last week with friends, and I think I still need to work on it because yeah, it's still flat. Like I think I need to fluff it out to be fuller or do something to it that I don't quite know yet. Yeah, so that's why I decided to rock this one. For now, I think I've added foundation, so the lace all the way to the front. And all the front, like just try to. Some parts I've even kind of stained the hair itself. Oops, don't do that. Just to change the color of the lace, because that color they had was not doing it for my skin. My skin tone was standing out too much. Okay, let's try this again. Hey, I've scattered everything. I've scattered everything. Oh, now it looks too dark, I think. I just wanted a wig that didn't have any of these things. Just, you know how you have like old school wigs that you just put it on your head and like you're ready to go. I didn't want to have to cut anything. Eh? No, I don't know what I'm doing. Ah, this is why I don't wear wigs. Okay, I think this way it works. Without having to show the whole lot. So that's like center parts. Am I doing wrong? Go, people that wear wigs, what am I doing wrong? Please help me. They put this band. I know people use the band, but that's supposed to make it lay some more. I think this is the best I can do for now. This is the best I can do. But what do you think? Me with a wig or me without? I'm like so not prepared for this life. Because I feel like I should have a flat iron to flat tongue it, you know, set this side, do some, you know, magic. I think because I'm traveling early tomorrow, I think until at least I go to bed, I'll just try and tie this section with a scarf so it stays flat, pending when I'm not going to get straight iron, but at least pending when. Should I use a blow dryer? Should I use my Dyson? Oh, Dyson has something. Dyson has something for flyaways. Yeah. Sticking out there. Put some gel, maybe, and just some. Okay, I think we're ready. I think I did an okay job. This is just about, like, you know, when you just pass by, you know, just the appropriate mark. So if the exam pass score was like, it's like 45, I just go 46, you know, not going for 100. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think this works. Yeah, so this is the result. To wig it or not, natural hair or not. Are people interested in that versatility? What are the reasons you wear wigs? Is it for protective styling? Is it for ease? Is it that you don't have natural hair you're confident in, or you have issues that you're trying to cover up? Or perhaps you have long hair but you're just like sick of it, you don't like your natural hair, you can't be bothered to deal with it. What are your thoughts on wearing wigs? Where do you stand? I think for me, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not against wigs. I just tend to go for the ones that look like my natural hair. At times when even my friends can't tell whether I'm wearing a wig or wearing my natural hair, and that's because I like to wear wigs that look like my hair. But clearly this doesn't look like my hair, well, apart from when I go a silk press, you know, so this could be my hair with a silk press, but this isn't my usual, you know, look. My hair doesn't look this way. But yeah, what are your thoughts? What kind of wigs do you buy? Where do you stand? What's your view? What's your position? Let me know. Let's get chatting in the comment section. As I said, I think I did a fair job. You'll be seeing this hair on the channel. I'm going to be launching it for my trip to Milan tomorrow, and I'll try to vlog. So if you're interested in seeing what I got up to in Milan, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys here, end this video here. I'll see you again in my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and bye.